Hi guys, Dave Hall, Restore Muscle Car, Lincoln, Nebraska. We have a 1987 IROC hardtop 5.7 liter 350 automatic car, black on black with the rare gold accents. It's only got 7,000 original one owner miles on it. Is in exquisite condition. You can tell just by walking up to this car. It's got the rare rear louvers on it. It does have upgraded 18-inch IROC wheels, brand new tires, all original interior, all original body panels, paint, drivetrain. The car starts, runs, and drives excellent. It's a super fun car to actually drive. This is a very tough one to let go out of our collection, but for an 87 IROC black 350 motor and drivetrain in this car is a lot of fun to drive. This is lot number 717 that goes through on Thursday afternoon. Barrett, Jackson, Scottsdale, lot number 717. You don't want to miss out on a 7,000 mile 5.7 liter 350 1987 IROC Camaro. Thanks guys.